Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the password of your root account even if you are not logged in as root. Okay, so what you need to do here is please note that each user account has a different set of permissions. So let's just say you are an administrator, however, you may not be granted the privileges to rename the root account. Okay, so it will only work if you've been given the permission to rename the root account. Okay, so let me show you what you need to do to rename your root account. So type sudo passwd and type root. Type your sudo password and type the new password for your root account. Okay, it says password updated successfully. Let's check it. So in order to move to our root account, this is what I need to type. su, which means switch user, dash. If I hit enter the root password that I just created, and now I'm in the root account. pwd, I'm in the root directory. And if I want to exit from the root account, I'm going to type exit. Okay, that's it guys. So that is how you would change the password of the root account, switch your user to the root account, and exit from the root account. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.